Hey guys, this is Lal Mohan from India. Basically, I belong to Bihar. I'm back again with a new video. So, guys, thanks for giving me this opportunity on this platform. And, guys, I am a pharmacist student and English trainer. Yes, guys, I am also English trainer. I teach English language on YouTube. Yes, guys, I teach English language on YouTube day by day. So, guys, today I will discuss about how can I speak English language. So, guys, of course, you can speak English language and you can learn English language and you can do it everything and anything. Yes, guys, you can do it anything and everything. So, guys, doesn't matter that who are you, who I am, who is she, who is he, doesn't matter. You want to speak English language and you want to a lot of fluently English language. Yes, I'm right. You want to speak English language. So, how can I speak? Yeah, how can you speak English language? So, I only want to say one thing. First of all, never give up in your life. Yes, never give up in your life and you should not hesitation. Yes, you should not hesitation and then you will be perfect. First of all, I want to say one thing. First point is that your first target, if you are interested, you want to learn English language, then you right now, this is my target. Yes, I want to speak language. I want to fluent English language. So that's why you can do anything and you can do everything. So say something, it is possible. How can I learn? Yeah, how can I speak? Yes, of course you can speak and you can learn. So now just like I would like to and you can make sentence, so everything is all right. So that's why I'm telling you, first of all should be your should be target first and then yes, many times of practice. Okay, and then you will be a perfect man and then you can speak English language without hesitation, without thinking, without hesitation you can speak English language. So please guide, I have learned English language on the way, so I will teach you in that manner. So I have already told you I am a English trainer and I teach English language on YouTube day by day. Yes, day by day. So please don't forget to watch my video day by day English language. So don't forget to watch my video English spoken classes day by day. I have already uploaded on YouTube day by day English spoken classes. So you can go on my video and watch my video. Last point, I only want to say one thing, never give up in your life because you want to speak English language and you want to become a perfect man, because guys you have a knowledge, you are a good person and you have already mind and you have also two hands, feet nose, eyes, cheek, lips, everything, head. So everything is like that. You have already. So you can do it everything and anything. It is a possible, guys. It is a very possible, and you can speak English language, you can speak English language, you can do everything. You are the best person. Yes guys, you are the best person and you can do anything. So guys, and one thing, please don't forget to watch my video English spoken class day by day on my YouTube. So please you can watch my video. So last till and take care. Have a nice day. Thanks guys.